Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Makhana almond fry Navratri special. Navratri is a Hindu festival celebrated across India. Makhana is also known as lotus seeds. Let's start the preparation. Makhana 1 cup, almond 12 to 14 pieces, rock salt, Sendha Namak, ghee 2 to 3 teaspoon, kali mirch, black pepper half teaspoon. Heat the pan. 2 to 3 teaspoon of ghee. Heat oil in the pan. Add almond and roast for 2 minutes on medium flame. Keep stirring it. Now add makhana and roast for a good 7 to 8 minutes in low flame so that it becomes crisp and crunchy. Keep stirring in between. Lastly, add black pepper half teaspoon and rock salt as per taste. Switch off the flame. Mix it well. Mix the whole mixture well. Serve the roasted makhana almond mixture. Ready to serve. It's ready to eat during the fasting time. It's very tasty, crunchy and addictive. Thank you for watching. See you next time.